Because they weren't catered for you, designed to secretly deceive you into gaining every single pound that you lose back? I mean, in my opinion, we might as well take our money, walk over to the guys in the suits, and put the money right in their pockets ourselves, because they're literally banking on you to fail so that they can keep lining their own pockets and have you back for more. But you're a smart person, and I don't need to tell you how much your body bank account will thank you for finally saying yes to this proven, trusted, reliable, pennies a day weight maintenance system that is backed by science, that literally takes only 7 seconds to do every morning, and you can start right away. Fast, safe, rewarding, and lifelong healthy weight maintenance is only possible if you're using a solution that actually works with you to maintain a healthy digestive tract that can literally flush all of that stubborn belly fat down the toilet and prime your metabolism for immediate, long-lasting weight maintenance. And what's even better is you don't have to wait another second to start. You'll be able to use the 7-second flat belly burn solution the moment it gets shipped to your door. My team has taken the hard part out and sourced the purest, highest quality herbs and plant extracts that we've spoken about here today, and put them all into a small, easy-to-swallow vegetarian capsule. And every capsule is manufactured right here in the USA in our FDA-approved and GMP Good Manufacturing Practice certified facility under the most sterile, strict, and precise standards. These capsules are vegetarian, non-GMO, and there is absolutely nothing else in them other than the ancient herbs. Maintaining healthy weight with a flat belly burn solution only takes 7 seconds a day. Look at people like Jimmy and Claire, who now feel 10 years younger by saying goodbye to the drill sergeant dieting approach that can speed up the appearance of aging, and saying hello to flat belly burn solution that makes healthy weight maintenance easy and effortless for years to come. Or people like Jane, Kevin, and John, whose belly fat felt uncontrollable, and crazy strict diets and hard to keep up workout plans drove them to feel depressed. But you too can use the flat belly burn method that they used to finally make uncontrollable belly fat a part of the past, effortlessly, flushing out all the sticky foods that your body would try to store as fat in your belly, face, muffin top, and flabby arms. Today, you've met a few people who took back control of their happiness and reclaimed the flat belly of their dreams. And now it's your turn, because we both know that you deserve this more than anyone. Now, after hearing about those shocking real-life results, you may be thinking that since this system is the real deal, that it must be unaffordable. But remember how I told you that it's Dr. Brian and I's mission to help as many people as possible? Well, we don't take that commitment lightly. So we considered selling the 30-day supply of flat belly burn for $397, which is the price that we charged when we had the first batch, which is still a steal considering the results that every single person in the group saw. But however, since working with Applied Science Nutrition for this second order, we've been able to actually lower our costs, and we want to make it as affordable as possible so that every man and woman over 40 can say yes without hesitation. So we debated giving the 1-month supply away for $197, but it still just didn't sit right with me. I felt that gut-wrenching feeling since so many men and women over 40 like you and I had been misled for so long by giant corporations and hoax marketing methods, led by phony experts telling us how to fix our bodies. So we won't be pricing it at $197 or even $99, the normal retail price. Instead, I want to help you make this a no-brainer decision. So for today only, for the grand opening special that's only available as long as we have stock, I'm going to take off another $40. So you can get a 30-day supply of flat belly burn for a simple one-time fee of just $59. That's it, just $59 exclusively for you. And even though it's money out of my own pocket, I know that deep down, this is the right decision to take a giant leap forward towards our goal. I just want you to do me a small favor. When your clothes start to fit differently and you feel more energetic by the end of a few weeks, and you're thrilled because you've kept off more belly fat than you could ever imagine, just take a photo and send it over to me. Tell a friend or family member about Flat Belly Burn and gift them with this same opportunity to change their life as you have today. Because I'm lowering the price so that you can be a part of Dr. Brian and I's mission to put everyone we can in the driver's seat of their own weight, health, and wellness. Deal? Okay, so by now I'm sure you're excited to get the product for this grand opening special, and while there's nothing I want more than to help you make that happen, the truth is, getting Flat Belly Burn can actually be quite challenging. You see, the special herbs have to be sourced from their native regions and harvested at a particular time during the year. So this way it ensures their maximum potency. If we were to mass farm them the way these large corporations do it, we would completely ruin their native nutrient levels. So we can only source the special herbs at specific times. And since we only placed a limited quantity of these herbs, we only have a limited amount of bottles during our grand opening. So we may not even have any in stock right now. And even worse, it takes 2 months just to create one batch of 250 bottles. So if we don't have any right now, it takes a while to get the next batch ready to go. So while we have stock available, the smartest and most successful clients of ours have always purchased at least the 3-month 3-bottle package. And if you want to make the best decision, then I highly recommend that you take advantage of this online-only grand opening special and select the 6-bottle package below. Because after 40, the digestive...
Thanks for watching. I hope you got a lot from it. Don't forget to click the link below for my special discounted price.